Rabies is one of the deadliest viruses in the world. It's a virus that can turn animals into vicious beasts and humans into zombies that fear water. Once you're infected, you only have 10 days to get a vaccine or you'll die. But what makes rabies so deadly is not just the bacteria from the initial bite, but what happens after symptoms start to show. Lyssavirus, otherwise known as rabies, is a fatal virus spread to people from the saliva of an infected animal. The most common way to contract it is through an animal bite, most likely from a dog, bat, raccoon, skunk, or fox. But rabies is scary for more reasons than just a painful bite. Because once the virus is inside us, it not only destroys our body, but damages our mind, and it can happen fast. Its main goal is to attack your nervous system, and more specifically, your brainstem. Once this stage is reached, you're going to die. There have only been a handful of people who have survived the infection once symptoms start to show up. That's why it's usually said to have a 100% fatality rate. However, if you get treated in time within the next 10 days of being bit by an infected animal, it's 100% preventable. So how exactly do we get from a dog bite to a complete behavioral change to death? The lyssavirus, which literally translates to violence and rage, does exactly that once it enters your system. It attacks the brain and leads to symptoms like confusion, aggression, and paralysis. The rabies virus messes with a neuron communication inside your brain, so much so that it causes your body to overwrite and shut down. After, the virus heads for the salivary glands. In fact, the reason infected animals foam at the mouth is to saturate the saliva with the virus so that it infects another host. The viral disease is famous for its ability to brainwash infected hosts, making them wildly aggressive, thus increasing the chances that they will bite another animal or person to repeat the cycle. The next major symptom is encephalitis. A swelling of the brain can lead to brain damage, paralysis, or even death. After your brain, organ after organ will start to fail as you slip into a coma. There's no doubt that rabies is one of the scariest viruses known to man. Today, it's capable of killing 50,000 to 60,000 people a year. While it is 100% preventable if treated quickly, there is no treatment once symptoms begin to show. At this point, death is inevitable.